Hey Social Cam, this is Miss Latanya again, coming to you working from home. That's great. But the only way that I can work from home is in my own business. So I'm here to ask you, did you get up and start your business? I know that I haven't been on here in a while, but I was giving you a chance to make a move. It is almost March 1st. March 1st means to march into your purpose. So we want to see if you have started moving towards your business. If you have, what I want you to do is respond to this Social Cam. This is like a commercial. So I want to know, what have you done within the last 60 days, almost 60 days of the new year 2013 to start your business? Did you write a book? Did you have that woman's event? Have you have a men's gathering? Have you started a school? Have you started just a connection with other people to network, to get them or push them into their purpose? 2013 is not waiting for anyone. We supposed to be showing some action. Okay, Kingdom citizens, let's keep it moving. I'll talk to you soon.